Guys, we're in Ikea and for the first time in our lives we've actually got a reason to be in here. So we're really excited because we actually do need to buy things potentially. Oh, what do you think?
Nice rocking action.
Nice rattan rocking chair.
Look at this chair.
And we like this a lot because we're thinking that our office is going to be a little bit Navajo stroke boho stroke desert kind of look. So that's I really like that chair.
The chair's cool, isn't it?
Gronadal. Okay. Gronadal. I'm an absolute Gronadal. So we want to ideally get like a chaise sofa or an L-shaped one. So we found this one. It's a lot cheaper than ones we've seen online. How does it feel, Si?
That's bloody glorious.
Glorious, good, okay. Oh,
I like those foot covers.
Yeah, we'd need something like that because one of us is always going to hold the end bit. Poofs, yeah.
Yes, right.
Really like these lamps for the office. If we go for that kind of deserty vibe, they're quite nice, aren't they? Do you like them or not?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Kind of metro style tiles, and I quite like this sink actually. Quite nice. Oh my god.
Shall we?
What are they?
This little thing here, so you can hang like a rug.
Tapestries. Hang all the tapestries we own.
Tapestries.
Like we're Queen Elizabeth. What's this? Next trip. We won't be able to afford holidays anymore, so that's pointless. So I was imagining what life would be if he read books. Go on, do what you were just doing. Is it comfortable?
Too comfortable.
Yeah. Do you want a little snooze and I'll meet you in half hour? Get your feet off the stool. Come on. I like the yellow one. The yellow one's quite cool.
Oh, yellow.
180. That's good. So that is the Strandmon in a skiftball level. Yellow.
Skiftball yellow.
Skiftball yellow.
Skiftball yellow.
What was that accent, Simon?
Skiftball yellow. Oh, I like this yellow.
I do as well.
Love it. Or lights, the lights coming out like a slight glow.
Yeah. I'm gonna just so we like this TV stand, but we would have to paint the top because this wood looks a little bit cheap. So what's this one? The Fajalabo. Falabo. So it's got this like lattice work detailing, but there's a lot of storage on that. That's nice. I can see you in the reflection. They found these kind of maroon velvety cordy curtains. So these are Sonella. We're slightly at loggerheads about these, aren't we? You're not convinced?
No, I like the colour.
Like the colour.
It just depends on like what colour the floor is, whether it's carpet, whether it's wooden. You know.
It's not focusing. Oh, it's just focusing on you now.
Huh?
It focused when you smiled. It's like, oh, we want to see that. We don't want to see stressed.
I like it.
You like it. You're coming around to it.
It's all about like what's combined with.
Yeah, because we're going to potentially have a dark wall. And you can see it's quite dramatic. Look, here we are. Ikea pals.
What's that mirror?
Oh, what do you think?
It's nice and big.
Sizes and everything.
Necessary for me.
We like this day bed, so then we can have our friends over to stay, because we do have a second bedroom which is primarily going to be our office. But if we can flop this out when needed, that would be good. Right. So next time we come, once we've exchanged on the house, we're going to come back and get one of these, aren't we, for the lounge? Yeah. I wonder how long it will take us to pick which one. Which has got the nicest sleeves.
Depends if it's a wooden floor, if it's carpeted. Like I can imagine if it's like a wooden floor, any of these would work really.
I just want loads of plants in my house. Make it like a jungle. There's a jungle out here.
It's a jungle in there.
Good morning. So we didn't buy anything from Ikea yesterday. I was actually quite proud of us for being restrained, but we came away with lots of ideas, and that's what it was really for. It was more like an inspiration trip. So we know what's there now should we get the house and want to start getting some bits and bobs. I've been in quite a lot of pain the last few days with my back and neck in particular probably. So I felt really poorly at the end of yesterday, at the end of Ikea, so I had to just lay in bed with the hot compress kind of thing. I don't know if this is just more chronic fatigue type stuff or whether it's stress related, because I'm no doubt going to be stressed with a big decision like this happening. I don't know, but a constant state of pain at the moment, which isn't ideal. But today I have a blogging job. Life doesn't stop, unfortunately, but it's a nice blogging job. It's not exactly a stressful one. It just involves me eating, so that's absolutely fine. But so we're going to Kingston. We're going to look around some second-hand furniture stores, West Elm, and just torture ourselves by looking at the things we wish we could afford. But you never know, we might be able to make it happen. At least maybe we might be able to treat ourselves to one thing at some point. And then like TK Maxx, John Lewis, those sorts of places. And then yes, we're going to I can never say it, they're a Comptoir de Lebanese, to try out the new vegan menu. They've invited me along for a meal for review purposes, so that would be really lovely. It's actually one of Si's favourite restaurants anyway. He loves it there. He loves that sort of food where you kind of pick at various things, whether it's like breads, flatbreads, dips, little potatoes, you know. He just loves that you can have a bit of everything with this sort of cuisine, so he is very excited that we can come along, so that is lovely. This is the little guy that's been looking after my neck the last few days. Oh, he's done with it. Look, he's so over it. Leave me alone. We're both feeling a little bit nervy because obviously about this time tomorrow we'll know whether our offer's been accepted on the little house. So tomorrow we're either going to feel elated and excited but also stressed because that's a lot of money, or we're going to feel extremely disappointed and a bit despondent and have to try and fall in love with somewhere else.
Oh, imagine.
Currently in a charity shop looking at furniture. Wait, I've just been summoned by Si. Just seeing if we can find any bargains for our potential new home. I love looking for bargains, one of my favourite things. What have you found?
Let's look at these blenders that we were looking at earlier.
Oh, good prices?
Really good prices.
Well, that's good to know.
25 quid.
Amazing.
I mean, they won't be as like good as the ones we saw on John Lewis, but you know, I think they're kind of close, but your average blender.
They're probably like old range, so you get them a bit cheaper.
Yeah.
Quite like the pineapple. Look what we found. It's already been sold. Such a shame. Hi guys, just thought I'd update you on the latest. Not great. Basically, I've had a sore neck and back for the last few days, and today I think is the worst. It's been I've had to book a chiropractor. Not chiropractor. What's the one beginning with O? Osteopath. The lady I used to see. So I'm going to see her. Annoyingly, it's 52 quid for an appointment, so that's not good, but I literally can't go on any longer. So yesterday was the day. Yesterday. Oh gosh, why am I filming? I'm such an idiot. Yesterday was the day we were meant to hear back about whether we've got the house or not. So by 4 o'clock I was getting very restless, obviously. So I emailed the estate agent, and he said he's still talking to the people that the vendor we're buying for wants to buy off. So it's kind of they're calling the shots. So he still hadn't heard, and it's now lunchtime the next day and we still haven't heard. So I don't know if that's good news or bad news, but yeah, it definitely feels a little bit tense around here while we wait. A mixture of anticipation, excitement, dread, worry, you know, all the feelings I guess you have when you're making big decisions like this. What else? So today, because I want to be available for phone calls and stuff, I'm not going out or anything, but I'm tackling my tax return, which is a really fun thing to be doing when you're feeling like this, but I will feel so much better once it's done. It's one of those things that just looms over you and you feel stressed about until it's done, and it's such a good feeling once you've just done it. So I think I'll probably have it done in about an hour's time. One of the beauties of not earning much money, there's less mathematics and sums to be doing, I guess. But anyway, hope you guys are alright. These vlogs are going to be weird when I finally edit them together, but hopefully they'll be somewhat interesting for you guys. Some real adulting stuff going on. Oh, look who's there. That's it. Why do you look naughty? What have you been doing? Ew. You've had treats already. I've already given him far too many dreamies. Kind of stalks me. Wonder if he's going to follow me to the kitchen. Oh God, I think he's just ran to the door. Let's see if he's there. What a surprise. I can't bend down, darling. Come on, come in if you want to. I can't bend. I wish you could understand that. Let me try. Oh, hi, Poppet. This soppy thing. No one's here to help me cook today, so it's some 3-minute noodles for me today, but do what you gotta do. That's it. You know you're not allowed further than the kitchen. Come on, let me give you some treats, and then you can...